Hello, welcome to our channel The Connection. We offer a platform which helps connect buyers with sellers. Today we will share with you everything you need to know about Havells Aspro mixer grinder. First, let's unbox the mixer grinder. Secondly, now let's know about its features. Aspro mixer grinder is offered by the big leading electronics brand Havells. It comes with SS304 stainless steel jar. It comes with 3-speed control and a 500 watts powerful motor. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars. Now let's review this mixer grinder. Havells Aspro mixer grinder is a compact powerhouse. Its efficient design and sturdy build make grinding a breeze. The stainless steel blades ensure smooth and consistent results every time. With multiple speed settings, it caters to various culinary needs effortlessly. Overall, a reliable kitchen companion delivering top-notch performance. So we recommend that you can buy this mixer grinder with full confidence, and we strongly recommend this product as a special gift to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and please subscribe our channel. If you want to buy this product, the buy link is given in the description.